Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, today we're going to look at something different. We're going to look at EDC wallets. So for a while now, I've been using this Chum's wallet. And I like the Chum's wallet. Nothing wrong with it. But it's kind of bright. It kind of feels like a wallet I had when I was a kid. It doesn't really feel like an adult's wallet. So I wanted to change it up. And yes, that's my real identity. But I'm going to go with something a little different. I'm going to go with the Rite in the Rain Monsoon Wallet. It's another small compact wallet, but it has a couple of features that I really like. And let's open this up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. It's made to hold pens right here in this little sleeve. They also recommend some pens there. You know, very minimal packaging, which is good. I'm sure it's recycled plastic. Yes, on paper, yes it is. So good for the planet. So this is a small guy, okay? And I'm going to show you how we're going to load this up. First thing I'm going to do is grab a Rite in the Rain pen. This one happens to have a clip on it, so it'll fit right there. You can use this without the clip. So I'm going to put that down, and let me grab one. Oh, I have one right here. Let me grab one without the clip so you can kind of see how that works as well. Oh, left that behind. See, that's why I don't want the clip on there, because it makes it a little tricky. All right, so here we go. This is a Rite in the Rain without the clip. You can put that right in there. And that's going to carry nice. Easy to pull out. You could even leave the cap in there, or you can pull it out with the cap. So if you want, one of the nice things about the Rite in the Rain is they become a large pen if you want, or you can have them as a compact pen. All right, so the Rite in the Rain will go right in here. No pun intended. So you can see that's there. All right, so let's grab some of the contents out of this wallet. First thing, I have a Rite in the Rain pad. I always carry a pad and a pen wherever I go. I also have a little knife cloth. We're going to pull out some stuff here and show you what I'm going to put in here. So I carry a multitude of cards with me. So altogether, we're not going to show you the cards themselves, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. 6 cards that I carry on a daily basis. So they're going to go right here. I'm going to put those right in there. Snap that shut. Is it going to snap? Yep. There we go. There's a little pocket back here for cash, for those who still carry cash. And that'll hold basically what I carry on a daily basis. It's small, compact, it's going to fit in the pocket. They call this the Monsoon because this is a water-resistant material. You even have this little loop here that you could attach this if you want to a carabiner, put it on your, put it on a belt loop, or just like some of my backpacks have a hook inside so you can hook your wallet, things that, or keys, that'll fit right in there as well. I think it's just a great little wallet. And I will put back here that little microfiber cloth. I'll tuck that right in. It's a little tight with all the cards because I said there's a bunch of cards in there, but it fits in there. Push that down in there. Really slim, really lightweight, very minimalist, And you can pop it open. And like I said, you've got all these cards in here. I've got my little Rite in the Rain notepad. And this is what I'm going to be carrying going forward. What that does is that it's going to eliminate 2 things. One, a need for a larger pen to hang on my pocket. So it's always going to be there. And I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give that a try for about a month and see how I feel about it. Like I showed you prior to that, I was using the Chum's wallet, which is a good wallet. Don't get me wrong. But it kind of looks like a kid's wallet, And before that, I was carrying a Ridge style wallet, which I really like. But I found that to be really bulky when you start to load it up with cards. And for some reason, it's a little heavy. I think this is going to work out great. All right, folks, I wanted to do something just a little bit different on the channel today. I know a lot of you are into just more than knives. You're also into EDC gear, and there's going to be a lot of that coming soon. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.